Okay, hello everyone. Let's go ahead and talk about how to solve 3x3 systems of linear equations. Now, the process by which you solve a 3x3 system of linear equations is basically the same thing that we did for 2x2 systems. So let's just go ahead and take a look. Here we have three equations, three unknowns, and all of these are linear equations because the highest degree for each one of the variables is 1. Okay, so as we go ahead and take a look at this, we transfer it into its matrix form. Basically, we have the coefficients of the x, y's, and z's in their particular order. Of course, the variable is going to be x, y, and z is equal to 7, 9, and 4. And again, if you take a look at what we do in order to solve this using the matrix method, of course, it's still going to be a times by x is going to be equal to b. So if we multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation with a left multiplication of A inverse, then we come out with x is equal to A inverse b. Put that into your calculator, and voila, you get your answer. So what this refers to then is that x, y, z is 4, -2, 1. Okay, and there's your solution. Now, that's going to be very, very straightforward. The main thing is that you can make sure to come out with the proper matrix equations. And again, we'll take a look at some of those examples in class. Now, the other thing that I wanted to go ahead and ask and challenge you with is, how would you actually solve this system of linear equations, this one here in particular, using substitution, elimination, or the graphical method? Because with the 2x2 systems, we said that, well, you're looking at a line, you know how to do the substitution method, you also know how to do the elimination method. This gets a little bit more complicated because of the fact that we have three variables. But the method by which you actually solve this is going to be still valid. So, what would you do in order to solve this using the substitution method? What would you do using the elimination method? What is this a graph of? What are we finding here? We'll talk about those things in class, but if you want to go ahead and give it a shot, determine how to do this by hand using the substitution elimination method, and give it a shot so that you can see exactly how all of this is consistent. Now, of course, the graphical part we're going to have to talk a little bit more about in class. So there you go, solving 3x3 systems of linear equations. We'll see how everything goes the next time that we meet. Okay? Give it your best shot. See you next time. Bye-bye.